This time we will write a program in Python to get rgbd images from realsense L515 or realsense D435. We create a script folders here, and we create a new file rgbd.py. We import three libraries: Python, realsense, NumPy, and CV2. CV2 is open CV. If here normally it will select Python 3.9, but the realsense may not recognize because our default Python was in Python 3.8, so we change the environment, and it's the same. We create a pipeline. So this is the part will detect the type of camera. If the camera was the series L500, we will change the resolution of the color sensors. Depth scale. 515 have a different depth scale from D435. Okay, it's smaller. It's smaller. And that is the main loop to capture image. With Python, we don't have to detect the width and height of the images, but it will have the resolution according to the RGB resolution because we align the depth to the color. Right? Try. Okay, press A to save. Okay, quit. We have here. Oh my God, it's ugly. But it's just not in the depth. Okay, so again, try to get it more beautiful images. That's back. Okay. Quit. Hopefully it's more beautiful. Yes, that's good. Thank you.